I am David Jones. I'm a physician. I have an active practice in Ashland, Oregon, and I also am very active in the field of functional medicine with the Institute of Functional Medicine. I've had the pleasure here at Sonovive, which is an internationally famous center of healing, having a sports injury treated by John Thorp. The injury was a fairly serious injury. At the time, I thought I had fractured my hip. And in injuries of this sort in the past that I've had, I've been dysfunctional for 6 to 8 months in the healing process. On this particular occasion, I was treated within the first 3 weeks and only lost a week after that of playing active tennis. It's been a marvelous experience seeing what treatment of this sort can do for sports injuries, ligamentous injuries, in this case, inflammation. It's been a pleasure getting to meet John and understand the kind of therapy that he's doing.
Yeah, I've seen John for so many things I kind of forgot. I mean, we're all looking for the machine like the metal detector. You can walk through it and get totally treated, you know, like Star Wars. But it's more hands-off.
Hi, I'm Dr. Steve Sinatra, and my story goes back to this machine. Actually, about 5-6 years ago, I was fighting off a hip replacement. I saw John Thorp in Southern California, and he worked on me with a device that was similar to this. This is an upgraded device, the Equiscope. When he worked on me, I had some improvement in my hip, where my hip joint actually felt better. Since I had so much improvement, when my son became ill with a multisystemic disease relating from mercury and fungus and mold and electropollution from EMF, his weakness and his immune system dysfunction and lack of energy really responded to this as well. In fact, my son credits earthing, going barefoot on the earth and taking in the human energy of the earth, in addition to the Equiscope here, as really getting him back to a situation where his health was much more optimized.
I run a hospital. I see acute care patients all day long, and this kind of equipment is incredible. And I was over here about 2 years ago, and all of a sudden I just couldn't move my arm. And they swept me off to John's home, and we went over there and they hooked me up to the equipment. And again, I deal with physical therapists all day, orthopedists. I could go on all night, and I can only tell you that this equipment worked.
The thing that impresses me the most about this technology is the immediate results. I'm an osteopathic physician, so I'm very attuned to structural types of medicine. I've been very impressed by how fast this technology works and that you can see improvements right away.